Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the best Creative Inspirations Acrylic Paint set, an all-in-one package perfect for artists, hobbyists, and creative explorers looking to bring vibrant life to canvas, wood, fabric, or any surface that calls for color. Let's unbox what makes this paint set such a favorite. Right out of the box, you're greeted with 12 large 16-ounce bottles. Yes, that's right, 192 ounces in total, each filled with rich, highly pigmented acrylic paint. The bottles are packed neatly in a sturdy, corrugated carrying case with a handle, making it easy to store and transport whether you're heading to an art class or setting up your studio at home. The set features a full color spectrum, including titanium white, cadmium yellow hue, cadmium orange hue, permanent red, crimson, phthalo blue, ultramarine blue, purple lake, light green, yellow ochre, burnt sienna, and lamp black. These colors offer excellent blendability, allowing you to create up to 42 mixed shades. Whether you're going for warm tones, cool gradients, or deep shadows, you have everything you need at your fingertips. What sets this paint apart is the smooth satin finish it delivers once dry. It brings a professional look to your artwork without requiring any extra varnish. It's thick and creamy, but thins easily with water if you prefer a more fluid texture or plan to experiment with pour painting. Just add your favorite pouring medium, and you're ready to create mesmerizing swirls and marbled effects. Cleaning up is just as simple, soap and water are all you need. The paints are non-toxic too, which means they're safe for students, beginners, or anyone working in shared spaces or classrooms. Performance-wise, each color delivers strong coverage, thanks to the high pigment load. One coat is often enough, and because it dries permanent, your work stays intact even on porous surfaces. From mural painting to canvas panels, from wooden signs to paper crafts, this set handles it all. One of the most compelling features is its beginner-friendly nature. Whether you're just getting started with acrylics or rediscovering your love for painting, these paints are forgiving, versatile, and fun to work with. Mixing, layering, glazing, detailing, every technique becomes more enjoyable with the right tools, and this set delivers just that. And if you're into large projects, the generous size of the bottles means fewer refills and more uninterrupted creativity. That's a huge plus for professionals and educators alike. So, is this worth it? Absolutely. With vibrant color output, ease of use, and versatility across different painting techniques and surfaces, the Creative Inspirations Acrylic Paint set stands out as a top choice for artists at every level. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you're ready to level up your painting game, this might be the perfect set to get started or upgrade your current supplies. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more reviews on the tools that fuel your creativity. See you in the next one.